ever wonder how people are earning $500 to $3,000 a month from home with clothes? If you've been looking for a side hustle that can actually bring in extra cash, even thousands a month without keeping boxes piled up in your house, let me put you into something called dropshipping with Dear Lover. Dear Lover is a clothing supplier that lets you sell trending fashion pieces without ever touching the inventory yourself. That's the beauty of dropshipping. You sell it first, then they ship it directly to your customer. Here's how simple the process is. Step 1, go to Dear Lover's website and create a dropshipping account. I'll have it linked in the description box for you. They have a full backend where you can browse products, check real-time stock, and place orders using your customer's shipping address. Step 2, pick where you want to sell. You don't need a website unless you want one. You can actually start today on places like Facebook Marketplace, quick sales and low competition for boutique-style fashion. Etsy, just style items as curated outfits or boutique pics. Another popular one is the TikTok shop. It's perfect if you already film try-ons or outfit videos. Shopify might not be one you know of. It's great for building a long-term brand. Pick the platform that you're comfortable with, upload a few items, and add your own photos or try-on clips to make them stand out. Hack, try a few pieces yourself. Step number 3, when you get a sale, you simply go back to Dear Lover, add the item to the cart, enter your customer's address, and they ship it straight out. No packing, no post office runs, just profit. And here's the really nice part. Dear Lover includes all the tariffs and taxes right in their shipping prices. There's no surprise custom fees, no extra duties at delivery, and no angry customers calling you because they had to pay something unexpected. Everything is already handled right on their end. Once you find a style that sells, you can scale fast, and that's where you see people earning hundreds, even thousands a month in pure side hustle income. So if you have been wanting a simple, low-risk way to start making some extra money from home, Dear Lover Dropshipping might be the move. Friends, make sure you subscribe to my channel and browse my other videos and playlists. I've got plenty more tips, reviews, and money-making ideas coming your way. I'll also have all the links in the description box below for you to check out.